Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Yeah guys, this is a story guys. This is a story as it causes a lot of confusion on social media. As you can see like with video ukuthi usisi lo uLulama igama lakhe ubanjwe esitolo eJethi entshontsha ke amapempers base ke abasebenzi bakhona bamthatha ke ivideo which is against the policy yasemsebenzini wabo kanye ke ne constitution yaseMzansi ayikuvumeli. Kune act ke kuthiwa uPoppy Act guys against isenzo sabasebenzi lesi abasenzile kulo asisi otholakale entshontsha ke ama pampers. There are procedures ke guys alandelwayo if umuntu ke etholakale entshontshile. uLulama is not the first person ukuthi ke athathwe ivideo mayentshontsile futhi ke guys kubona seyitolo bebeke izithombe zabantu ukuthi lo uyantshontsha uyisele. So she's not the first person ukuthi ke athathwe ivideo mangabe entshontsile kodwa into ke ethinta abantu abaningi ukuthi ke ubentshontsha entshontsha ama pampers bengantshontsha into zakhe but bentshontshela ingane ama pampers ke. So iningi labantu abasebenza kwa retail ke guys nabo babe nombono owehlukile ngalesi senzo sikaLulama. Bathi ke lesenzo sibeka bona engcupheni yokuthi ke baxoshwe emsebenzini o bakhokhele noma bakhokhele impahla ke esuke yebiwe. That is why they got so angry and dealt with a situation kaLulama ngendlela engasiyo eyasemsebenzini wabo. Isitolo ke abentshontsha kuso naso sixolisile to the lady in question kwi-email ke adibhalwe ke uLady Zama ekade ebatshela ngokuthi ke into abayenzile ayibanga right. Sasa ke isitolo siyathembisa ukuthi sizofundisa abasebenzi baso how to handle this kind of situation in future ngaphandle ke kokuhlambalaza. Yabona ke guys izinto ezimbili ezirong aziyikhiphi ianswer right. Yes usisubulelwa was wrong kodwa ke nabasebenzi abawulandelanga umthetho wenkampani. Instead bathathe ivideo which went viral ku social media leading to many people including ama celebrities offering to help usisi nanoma iluphi ke usizo aludingayo. Different organizations visited her and got her side of the story. She was admitting or she admitted ukuthi ke ube wrong ukuthi ke antshontshe. Wase yachaza ke nokuthi ke usanda kuphela umsebenzi and unengane enonyaka and ibingena ama pampers. Wasenza ke iphutha lokuthi ke ayokweba. Esingazi ke noma guys ubeqala ukuntshontsha noma besokuwe kwesibili noma ujwayele vele. So yeah guys le story ke sinama side amaningi and is sensitive kakhulu. We need to be very careful when addressing it. On the other side it encourage abantu ukuthi ke bantshontshe babe nomqondo nje ukuthi someone might have mercy on me, might have mercy on them, or they might trend and get help that they need. Phela ke guys njengoba nazi baningi abantu ke abayishayisisa ngezimoto la emgwaqweni befuna imali ye road accident fund. So let's be very careful guys when addressing this matter. Kucaca ukuthi ke usisululama ube wrong ngokuthi ayontshontsha. Kuphinde kuvele futhi nokuthi ke abasebenzi abawulandelanga umthetho bekufanele bewulandele. But kungabe sengazi ukuthi uLulama ube right ngoba beyontshontshelwa ingane guys, because it will izokwenza iletha the impression ukuthi abantu babe nemqonjwana nje engasile ukuthi hayi ithi ngihambe ngesitolo mhlambe they might take me a video ngithi viral bese ke abantu bayanginika imali noma bangidonatele. On the other side what happened guys was an eye opener addressing indlela wrong abasebenzi ke abanokulihandlisha ngayo udaba labantu abasuke bentshontshe isitolo njengoba abanye bethatha ke ama video of which it's not allowed. They are baphazamisa ke bathini baphazamisa ke i-privacy yomuntu. Guys, lolu daba ke selwenze ukuthi isitolo naso sathi no, our workers need training on how to handle such cases. So ibe usizo kusisilulame yaphinda futhi yaba usizo nasesitolo ukuthi ke bathi look into indlela abahandlisha ngayo ama cases anjengalawa, because nabo they have an image ekufanele bayinakekele njengesitolo. Uma ngabe sebetrenda ngokuthi ke benza izinto ngaphandle komthetho kungabafaka ke enkingeni nalokho. So yeah guys, do leave your comment below and share your opinion ngale ndaba ukuthi wena uthe moyibona leya video yini efike emqondweni wakho, ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe bamhumiliatile usisi, she was humiliated, they were wrong, she was right or she was wrong, naye ngokuthi antshontshe yini nje efike eqala emqondweni wakho guys. Ungashiya ke i-comment yakho la ngenzansi. Bye.